Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. I really want to say a very big thank you to my new subscribers. I appreciate. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for your support. And if this is your first time of joining me, you're welcome. This channel is all about product recommendations and relationship talk, so feel free to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you will always be notified whenever I add a new video. And also you can like, share, download this video. Okay, I've always loved pink lip anyway. That's why I purchased a lot of pink lips, because I really want my lips to be pink. That's it. So I spent a lot of money treating my lips. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about lip scrub, how to make a very effective lip scrub that you're going to be using to exfoliate your lips. One thing about me is that I've always liked pink lip. I've always liked my lips to be really beautiful and really defined. So I'm going to show you how to produce a very good lip scrub that people sell to you out there. I'm going to show you how those lip scrub are produced. Make sure you watch to the end of this video and like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's go straight to the video. So to produce your lip scrub, I have this product with me. I'm going to show you how to use them. This is honey. This is natural honey, and this is blue silk Vaseline. So this blue silk Vaseline here I have is the cocoa butter one. It's also known as petroleum jelly. You can get any blue silk Vaseline of your choice. You can get anyone as long as it's petroleum jelly. All right, and then I have olive oil. I don't want to use the other olive oil because it contains canola seed, but this one is just 100% extra virgin olive oil. All right, the next product I have here is sugar. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to combine all this together to produce our lip scrub, which they sell to you in the market. You can break like 2 cubes of sugar into the container, but because I already have it here, so look at it. So I'm going to just pour it because I've already blended it in. I'm sure you can see it, but just now I'm pouring in sugar. Lip scrub, right? Then the next thing you're going to add here is olive oil. Olive oil. This is for those who desire a very nice pink succulent lips. The next thing I'm going to add is honey. Okay. Wow. So I'm going to add my petroleum jelly. So this is how to produce a pink lip scrub. So how you're going to use it to treat your lips to make it pink is use it to moisturize your lips every morning, night. Use it to scrub your lips, like when you're brushing your teeth. After brushing your teeth, use this scrub to scrub your lips. You can also use your toothpaste and brush. Okay, you can use your toothpaste and brush to scrub your lips after brushing your teeth. It makes your lips to be lighter naturally. It makes your lips to look pink even without using pink lip balm. Make sure when you're washing your teeth, you scrub your lips with your toothpaste and your toothbrush. Then in the morning and night, like when you're done brushing, then use this one to just moisturize your lips. I'm sure it's gonna make your lips to be really beautiful and attractive, especially for those of us that also have this breaking, those you know, there are some person that their lips breaks even when they apply lipsticks. So I recommend you to try this remedy. I love you guys. Feel free to like this video, feel free to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also, don't forget to drop your comments. Tell me what you think about this video. Tell me what you have used for your lips that's really effective. No one knows it all. I really appreciate. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video.